Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by opening settings and going straight to focus. This gets you where you control interruptions. Tap the plus sign to create a new focus or pick an existing one, then name it so you recognize it quickly. Next, choose Allowed People and Allowed Apps. This defines who can reach you. Once done, set whether time-sensitive notifications are allowed. Make sure to pick an icon and color so the focus is visually distinct on your iPad. Now configure automations. Tap Add Schedule to trigger by time, tap Location for place-based activation, or choose App to start when an app opens. These automations make focus hands-off, so you don't toggle it manually. Then customize home screen pages and notification filters to hide badges and dim apps. This reduces distraction. Once configured, enable share across devices to keep your iPad in sync with iPhone and Mac. This ensures consistent behavior across your Apple ecosystem. To finish, test each focus. Toggle it from Control Center or trigger the scheduled automation and watch how allowed contacts and apps behave. If something still interrupts you, make small adjustments, remove or add specific apps, or change notification filters to silence more categories. If a focus doesn't activate properly, check share across devices and verify focus status in Control Center. Toggling share across devices off and on can resolve sync glitches. Finally, retest to confirm the fixes work.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.